Welcome to Oak Tree Mountain here in Oak Glen, California. We found free parking here. I believe all their parking is free if you can find it. I recommend coming early enough so you can get a parking spot close by. This is a really cute little mountain stop. They have little shops, they have food, and it's just a really cute place to walk around and explore and just take a few hours and just get some fresh air. After parking, we grabbed our tickets to go inside. They're about $20 per person, which honestly felt a little pricey for what it is, but I was mainly excited to feed the farm animals, so we went for it. It's nice to experience maybe one time, but I wouldn't go multiple times and pay $20. We started walking around, kind of trying to figure out where everything was. There are a bunch of little paths and signs, so we were just exploring and looking for the petting zoo area. We did arrive pretty much when they opened, so that's why it's really empty. The food stands are not open yet, and a lot of things were still just opening. So if you want to go early to explore and feed the animals first, it's a great idea. And once things start opening, then you can start exploring the food and all the little shops. We finally made it to the petting zoo, and this was definitely the best part. They gave us little cups of food with our tickets, so we got to feed all the animals. They are so cute. Some of them are a little too excited for snacks, so just be careful. Don't put food in your hands and hold it out to them. They can bite without knowing. But it was so fun. It made the ticket price really worth it. The little piglets, they were little babies, and they were just really cute. I really loved this experience. It was really fun. Some of the animals were a little shy, so we just be aware. If they didn't want to come up to us, we didn't force it. Just a reminder, and don't chase after them or try to grab them. Let them come to you. It keeps things safe and makes the whole experience better for everyone inside, including the animals. So, if you have kids as well, just be careful, be mindful. After the petting zoo, we wandered over to the little shops outside. They have some cute spots to check out, and the nice thing is you can go back into the main area as long as you have your wristband on. When you buy your ticket, you get a wristband. So we just kind of took our time walking around and seeing what they had. We were waiting for some of the food spots inside to open because we were still a little bit early. I assumed everything opens once the the whole place opens, but I guess not. So just be aware, if you want to eat something, you might have to wait a little bit longer or go to the restaurant outside. One of the main reasons I wanted to come here was to try the apple cider. We found the apple cider stand and oh my gosh, it's really good. Of course, we had to grab some of their donuts to go with it. The combo of warm donuts and fresh apple cider, it was just so good up in the mountains. I loved it. I think this place is a definite must if you come up here. After that, we checked out Pops and Drops. It's the candy shop, or candy and chocolate shop. Honestly, I was a little bit disappointed with their candy selection, but the chocolates did look really good. We didn't end up buying anything. It's still a cute spot to walk through and see what they had, but we didn't end up walking out with anything. Lastly, we made our way back inside to check out the food. My husband went with barbecue and I got a mac and cheese hot dog. Honestly, I think the food was a bit disappointing, but the live music did help a little bit. It was nice to listen to music and be outside. I think next time I would rather go check out Apple Annie's, which is their restaurant outside. They have breakfast and their pie. They're very well known for their pies, so I think I would rather try that for the next time. But it was a nice way to kind of just relax before heading out and just sit down and enjoy the music. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.